Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have an Edifier MP100 Plus portable Bluetooth speaker and you need to reset the Bluetooth on it. And the reason you're going to want to do this is because if you're having any issues with it not connecting to Bluetooth, or if it's connecting to the wrong device, or if it won't pair properly, it seems to like connect but then it's not making sound, it's not responding to the phone or stuff like that. When you're having any issues with Bluetooth, or if it's stuck connecting to something you don't want it to, what this reset is going to do is it's going to automatically disconnect the Bluetooth from everything. That it'll just basically turn the Bluetooth off just for a couple seconds and then turn it back on and put it in pairing mode immediately. So then you can go ahead and connect it to whatever you want. So all we need to do if we're going to do this is with the unit powered on, we're just going to come in and press and hold this Bluetooth button here for a couple seconds. If you just tap it and it's not connected, that just puts it into Bluetooth pairing mode, just hitting it. But if you actually press and hold it for a couple of seconds, this will disconnect the Bluetooth for a couple of seconds and then reconnect and put it in pairing mode. And from there you can go ahead and try to pair it to your device.